क्रिएट वेरी गुड थिंग। बहुत सारे बच्चे बोलते हैं मुझे
Hello everyone. Today, along with the Vasanthapati Pratishtha's College of Engineering and Visual Arts students, we visited the Baap Company, which is situated at Sangam. This is a very rural place, but still they have developed here a very good ecosystem for the startup. And our main motive to visit over here, the students, those who want to do a startup or they want to start their own startup as a career in the IT field, they can learn a very good things here, because here also they have started their startup in the rural area and with the students from the vernacular medium. So here we got the very good lesson about the starting their own startup, and this is the takeaway from this today's industrial visit. Thank you.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. I am Sajal Patra and currently I am studying in Vasanthapati Patil Pratishthan's College of Engineering and Visual Arts in third year Computer Engineering Department. Today we had an industrial visit in the Baap Company, wherein we got to know a lot about how a product is made, how different teams work together to form a product, how they research about the clients or how to approach the clients, everything. We also had a workshop about the AI and the latest ML trends, wherein we got to know a lot details about how an AI engine is made and what are the details about it. So I would say it was a really enlightful and knowledgeable session for all of us, and it was great visiting the Baap Company. Thank you.